Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to show you a very cute, quick and easy updo that I like to do with my hair when it's, getting too wild but it's not wash day yet. So go ahead and stay tuned. I'm starting by having my hair nicely parted. Well, not nicely parted, but I went ahead and parted in a nice square shape. Now your parts don't have to be perfect. As you can see, my parts are not perfect at all. So I just want to go ahead and show you that. And I'm going to go ahead and separate the part up that I went ahead and parted out, the square shape part, so I could focus on the rest of my hair. And as you can see, it's a mess. So I'm going to go ahead and take a spray bottle and wet my hair to add some more moisture back into my hair. And I'm just, I don't want to really soak it, but I want to make sure I get it nice and, nice and misted, a little damped, just to add that moisture back in because it was very dry. And I'm just working that water in. And go ahead and add a little more, depending on how dry your hair is. My hair is very dry this day, so I had to really work it in there, and I want to really focus on my edges because that's the part I'm going to be smoothing down. And now I'm using my As I Am leave-in conditioner to just to help add some moisture back into my hair. And I'm only taking like a little dime size, and I'm gonna go ahead and rub that on the edges of my hair, and I'm gonna really work that in to my hair. And I'm just focusing all across my edges and everything. And I'm taking this comb and I'm like kind of combing the parts where my curls try to separate when I put my hair up, just to make it nice and uniform and make it nice and neat. And I'm going in with my curls passion fruit paste, and I'm taking that on my fingers first, and then I'm smoothing that in to all around my edges, just so it can be nice and laid down and not too wild. And then I'm going to go in with my soft board bristle brush, and I'm going to go ahead and brush it in. So I go in with my fingers first, and then I go ahead and brush it in with my brush, just to make sure it lays down. And I'm going back in with my comb just to nicely comb it in, because my curls do separate it, and I don't want it to make it seem like I'm have bald spots or just my scalp just peeking through. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put that back up. I'm using my scrunchie, and I'm gonna go ahead and put that in a nice bun. For this style, I like to put my hair in a nice bun and just get all that hair in. You can see a little bit of hair is hanging out, but that's okay. So this is the first step of this hair tutorial. Got my edges laid. Now I'm going to work on the first part, the front part. So I'm going ahead and I'm separating this with my fingers. Again, it doesn't have to be super neat. So I'm separating that into two sections. And then I'm going in with the water to add some more moisture in, just like we did with the back of our hair. And right now I'm just really working in that water and make sure it's nice and moisturized. And I'm gonna spray a little more because my ends like to get very dry. I like to do this hairstyle when I'm towards the middle of the week, when I can't wear my wash and go out no more and I have to style my hair. And I'm going in with some more leave-in conditioner, and I'm just work that in from root to tip. Add a little more if needed. scratch your scalp if needed. I'm gonna work that in real nice, and then I'm gonna go ahead and begin twisting my hair. We're just gonna do one regular twist and twist that all the way down. And I'm gonna add some more moisture to the ends and keep on twisting. And I also went ahead and added a little more leave-in conditioner, because you always want to make sure your ends are very nice and moisturized. Alright, so I got my twist done. I went ahead and waited a couple seconds to let it swell up and get nice and big. You know how the twist gets. Alright, now for this hairstyle, you could wear it one or two ways. You could either wear it down like this with just a twist, or you could, you know, roll it up and pin it up to your hair. That's the way I like to wear it. Now for this hairstyle, I didn't have any bobby pins on me, but I normally like to pin it up, you know, just curl it up, and then you could put a bobby pin right there. So since I didn't have any bobby pins, what I went ahead and did for this tutorial is I just wrapped it around my bun, get that secure, and then I took a nice ponytail holder, a thin one, and I just put that around my bun just to make sure it's nice and secured. And this is the finished look. Very nice and easy. It's very you know, nice and elegant. You can wear it to a special occasion or to work, and it's just a very cute, easy style to do your hair, especially, you know, after a couple wash days when your hair gets very thick and everything. You want to kind of have it separated to where your hair, you know, your scalp can breathe a little. And this is my go-to style, you guys, for when I need to do something to my hair but I don't want to go ahead and wash it. So I really do hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and thank you for your time, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!